3 years after Kansas won a bidding war, dignitaries from around the world formally opened the Panasonic EV battery plant in DeSoto today.
Even as international media reports last week, full production at the plant will be delayed due to falling EV sales. Originally set for March of 2027, a new timeline hasn't been released. But as Fox 4's Lexi French shows us, that didn't dampen excitement over the plant's economic impact for Kansas.
Imagine a future where the world's most powerful machines are powered by nothing but clean energy. Now, picture a massive factory, built from the ground up, dedicated to making that future possible. In the heart of Kansas, Panasonic has invested billions to create the world's largest EV battery plant.
That is true, yeah. So currently we're getting our battery supplies either from Japan or from Korea, depending on the supplier. And Panasonic is a great partner for us. We decided 2.5 years ago to make together this investment here and to localize the production, the cell production here to Kansas.
A game changer in the electric vehicle revolution. But what if this plant could transform not only the way we drive, but how we live? Panasonic, a leading player in the global battery market, has recently unveiled its new and highly anticipated lithium-ion battery manufacturing facility in DeSoto, Kansas. This plant represents a significant leap forward for both the company and the electric vehicle EV industry, reflecting a broader shift towards more sustainable energy solutions. Located in the Astra Enterprise Park, this state-of-the-art facility is poised to become one of the most advanced battery production hubs in the world. With an investment of $4 billion, this project is the largest economic development initiative in the history of Kansas. The new facility spans an impressive 4.7 million square feet, which is about the size of 225 football fields. This substantial investment in infrastructure underscores Panasonic's commitment to meeting the growing demand for EV batteries and supporting the transition to a greener, more sustainable future. At full capacity, the plant is expected to produce 32 gigawatt-hours (GW) of cylindrical 2170 lithium-ion battery cells each year. These cells are crucial components in electric vehicles and energy storage solutions. The facility's main objective is to serve the needs of the rapidly expanding EV market, providing cutting-edge technology that will help power the next generation of electric vehicles. The demand for electric vehicles has surged in recent years as governments, industries, and consumers have increasingly embraced eco-friendly transportation alternatives. As a result, there is an ever-growing need for reliable and efficient battery technologies. By establishing this plant in Kansas, Panasonic aims to provide a steady local supply of high-quality batteries, thereby ensuring that the U.S. can meet its ambitious EV production goals and reduce its reliance on overseas battery imports. A crucial aspect of this project is its potential impact on the local economy. The Panasonic facility is expected to create up to 4,000 direct jobs, providing a significant boost to the DeSoto area and the surrounding regions. These jobs will span a range of areas, including manufacturing, logistics, management, and research and development. In addition to these direct employment opportunities, the facility is set to generate up to 8,000 jobs in related industries, such as supply chain and support services. This job creation is expected to have a ripple effect, benefiting local businesses and strengthening the broader Kansas economy. The plant is not just about creating jobs. It also brings an influx of technology, innovation, and expertise to the region. Panasonic's investment in cutting-edge manufacturing processes will drive advances in battery technology, helping to make EVs more affordable, efficient, and sustainable. By focusing on automation, precision, and scaling production, the facility aims to optimize the production of battery cells while maintaining high standards of safety and quality. In addition to supporting the transition to sustainable energy in the U.S., the plant's location in Kansas is strategic for several reasons. First, the central location provides easy access to key transportation routes, which will facilitate the movement of raw materials and finished products. This logistical advantage is crucial for maintaining a smooth and efficient supply chain, especially as the plant ramps up production over the coming years. Moreover, The facility is located near major automotive manufacturers, including Tesla, which is one of Panasonic's primary customers for battery cells. This proximity to key partners allows for seamless integration into the wider EV manufacturing ecosystem. The decision to build the plant in Kansas also reflects a broader trend in the U.S. to increase domestic production of EV batteries. In recent years, there has been growing concern over the reliance on foreign suppliers, particularly from countries like China and South Korea, for critical components like batteries. By establishing this manufacturing facility in the U.S., Panasonic aims to reduce the risks associated with global supply chain disruptions and ensure a stable local supply of high-quality battery cells for American automakers. This strategic move also aligns with the U.S. government's efforts to promote clean energy and create jobs in the green sector. In recent years, the U.S. government has introduced policies aimed at incentivizing the adoption of electric vehicles, such as tax credits for EV buyers and investments in charging infrastructure. Panasonic's new facility in Kansas will play an important role in supporting these policies by helping to ensure that automakers have access to the batteries they need to meet growing consumer demand for electric vehicles. In addition to its focus on production, the plant will also serve as a research and development hub for future battery technologies. Panasonic plans to continually improve the performance, efficiency, and sustainability of its battery cells by investing in innovation and technological advancements. One of the key areas of focus will be the development of next-generation batteries, such as solid-state batteries, which promise to offer even greater energy density, faster charging times, and enhanced safety features compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. These advancements in battery technology are crucial for ensuring the long-term success of the electric vehicle industry. As the EV market continues to grow, the demand for more efficient, affordable, and sustainable battery solutions will only. Panasonic's investment in R&D at this new facility positions the company as a leader in the battery manufacturing sector and ensures that it remains at the forefront of the rapidly evolving EV market. Moreover, Panasonic's Kansas plant is not just about battery production. It's about fostering a robust ecosystem for electric vehicles. By creating a strong manufacturing base in the U.S., Panasonic is contributing to the development of a homegrown EV supply chain that will benefit the entire industry. The facility will help to attract additional suppliers, partners, and investors to the region, further strengthening the U.S. EV manufacturing ecosystem and making it more competitive on the global stage. The grand opening of the Panasonic facility in DeSoto, Kansas marks a major milestone in the company's ongoing efforts to support the global transition to sustainable energy. With its cutting-edge technology, large-scale production capabilities, and focus on sustainability, this plant is poised to play a pivotal role in the growth of the electric vehicle industry and the advancement of clean energy solutions worldwide. As Panasonic continues to ramp up production at the facility, the impact on both the local community and the broader EV market will be significant, helping to drive the future of transportation and energy. The Panasonic plant in DeSoto, Kansas is designed to be one of the most advanced manufacturing facilities in the world, combining cutting-edge technology and automation to produce lithium-ion battery cells for electric vehicles. This plant is expected to revolutionize the EV industry, significantly enhancing the efficiency of battery production while maintaining high standards of safety and quality. With its strategic focus on high productivity and advanced manufacturing processes, the DeSoto plant is poised to become a major player in the global battery market, contributing to the growing demand for clean energy solutions and electric vehicles. One of the standout features of the Panasonic facility is its use of automation and robotics. The plant is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery, including rail-guided vehicles and autonomous guided vehicles, designed to streamline operations and improve logistics. These automated systems are essential in maintaining the flow of production, enabling Panasonic to meet its ambitious output goals while ensuring that production processes are as efficient as possible. Automation reduces the risk of human error, increases productivity, and allows for faster turnaround times, making it an essential part of the plant's overall operational strategy. In fact, the DeSoto plant has been designed with the goal of producing 66 battery cells every second, a remarkable achievement in terms of scale and efficiency. To achieve this, Panasonic has incorporated advanced production technologies and optimized its production lines for maximum output. The company's emphasis on speed and productivity is key to meeting the increasing demand for EV batteries as more automakers around the world ramp up their efforts to produce electric vehicles. As the global shift towards sustainable transportation accelerates, the need for large-scale, reliable battery production facilities like the one in Kansas has never been more urgent. At the heart of the facility's production capabilities is the use of 2170 cylindrical lithium-ion battery cells, which are known for their impressive balance of energy density and thermal stability. These cells are widely used in the production of electric vehicles, including Tesla's Model 3, and are becoming the industry standard for high-performance batteries. The DeSoto plant is expected to produce 32 gigawatt-hours GWh of battery cells annually, which is enough to power a significant number of electric vehicles each year. This production capacity positions Panasonic as a major player in the EV, enabling the company to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles both in the US and internationally. One of the most important aspects of the production process at the DeSoto plant is the continuous improvement of battery technology. Panasonic is committed to ongoing research and development (R&D) to enhance the performance and efficiency of its battery cells. The company is constantly working to improve the energy density, charging speed, and lifespan of its batteries, which are all critical factors in the success of electric vehicles. As the global EV market continues to expand, the demand for more efficient and affordable batteries will only increase. Panasonic's investment in R&D at the DeSoto plant ensures that the company remains at the forefront of battery technology and continues to meet the evolving needs of the EV industry. In addition to producing high-performance battery cells, the DeSoto facility also plays a key role in improving the sustainability of the Panasonic has made a concerted effort to incorporate sustainable practices into every aspect of the facility operations. This includes the use of energy-efficient technology and renewable energy sources, such as solar power, to minimize the plant's environmental impact. By integrating these green practices into its manufacturing processes, Panasonic is not only helping to reduce the carbon footprint of the facility, but is also contributing to the broader effort to transition to cleaner, more sustainable energy sources. The facility is also designed to be highly adaptable, able to scale up production as the demand for electric vehicles continues to grow. Panasonic's ability to quickly ramp up production will be critical in meeting the needs of automakers who are under increasing pressure to produce more electric vehicles in response to government regulations and consumer demand. The DeSoto plant's flexibility allows Panasonic to adjust its production output based on market conditions, ensuring that the company can keep up with the rapidly evolving EV. Another key aspect of the DeSoto facility's operations is its focus on supply chain integration. The plant is strategically located to ensure easy access to key transportation routes, which will facilitate the movement of raw materials and finished products. This logistical advantage is crucial for maintaining an efficient and reliable supply chain, especially as Panasonic ramps up production. The proximity of the DeSoto plant to major automotive manufacturers, such as Tesla, also enables seamless collaboration and integration into the broader EV manufacturing ecosystem. This close relationship between Panasonic and its automotive partners ensures that the battery cells produced at the DeSoto plant are delivered to automakers in a timely and efficient manner, helping to support the growth of the EV. The DeSoto plant is not just focused on current battery technology, it is also looking to the future. Panasonic is investing in the development of next-generation battery technologies, such as solid-state batteries, which offer significant improvements in terms of energy density, charging speed, and safety. These next-generation batteries have the potential to transform the EV market by providing longer-range vehicles with faster charging times, addressing two of the most common concerns among electric vehicle consumers. By investing in these advanced technologies, Panasonic is positioning itself as a leader in the next wave of battery innovation, ensuring that it remains competitive in an increasingly crowded market. The Soto facility is also expected to have a significant economic impact on the local community. The project is expected to create thousands of direct jobs, ranging from manufacturing and logistics to research and development. In addition to these direct employment opportunities, the plant is expected to generate thousands more jobs in related sectors, such as the supply chain, construction, and support services. This job creation will have a positive effect on the local economy, providing opportunities for workers in the DeSoto area and surrounding communities. The facility is expected to contribute billions of dollars in economic activity, helping to stimulate the local economy and support regional growth. As part of its commitment to sustainability and reducing its carbon footprint, the DeSoto plant is also focused on reducing the environmental impact of its supply chain. Panasonic is working closely with its suppliers to ensure that raw materials are sourced responsibly and that waste is minimized throughout the production process. This commitment to sustainability extends to the plant's waste management systems, which are designed to reduce waste and promote recycling. By adopting these environmentally friendly practices, Panasonic is helping to set a standard for sustainable manufacturing in the battery industry, leading the way for other companies to follow suit. In addition to its focus on battery production, the DeSoto facility also serves as a hub for Panasonic's broader efforts to support the growth of the electric vehicle industry. The plant is a key part of the company's global strategy to expand its presence in the EV and help drive the transition to a more sustainable energy future. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, the DeSoto plant will play a vital role in ensuring that automakers have access to the high-quality batteries they need to power their vehicles. The economic impact of Panasonic's new EV battery plant in DeSoto, Kansas, extends far beyond the immediate job creation at the facility itself. As one of the largest economic development projects in Kansas history, this $4 billion investment will have a ripple effect across the local and regional economy. With the expected creation of thousands of direct and indirect jobs, the facility will contribute to a significant increase in economic activity, from construction jobs to supply chain services. Local businesses will also benefit from the influx of workers and increased demand for services, while the plant will play an essential role in advancing the region's industrial capacity. Panasonic's investment in the DeSoto plant represents a transformative opportunity for the area. The facility is expected to create up to 4,000 direct jobs, spanning a range of skill levels and disciplines, including manufacturing, logistics, management, and research and development. In addition to these direct job opportunities, the plant is set to generate around 8,000 jobs in supporting industries, such as construction, transportation, and service sectors. This job creation will significantly enhance the local economy, providing employment opportunities for residents of DeSoto and surrounding communities. Furthermore, the presence of such a large and innovative facility will likely attract additional investments from other companies and industries, creating a broader economic impact that will be felt throughout the region. The plant's contribution to the local economy will not be limited to job creation. The facility is expected to generate billions of dollars in economic activity each year. This includes the wages paid to workers, the purchasing of raw materials, and the demand for services from local businesses. As the plant ramps up production, it will drive the demand for goods and services from a wide range of industries, including construction, transportation, utilities, and logistics. The increased economic activity will provide a substantial boost to the local tax base, allowing the city and region to invest in public services, infrastructure, and community development projects. Beyond job creation and economic activity, The DeSoto plant will also contribute to the region's long-term economic growth by positioning Kansas as a hub for clean energy manufacturing. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, the need for efficient and sustainable battery production will only increase. The DeSoto plant will serve as a critical part of the U.S. supply chain for electric vehicle batteries, ensuring that American automakers have access to a reliable and local source of high-performance battery cells. By becoming a key player in the electric vehicle industry, the region will be better positioned to benefit from the long-term growth of the sector, attracting further investment in clean energy technologies and creating more opportunities for local businesses. However, the DeSoto plant's economic benefits are not without challenges. The presence of such a large manufacturing facility could place additional strain on local infrastructure, particularly in areas such as transportation, housing, and utilities. The Kansas region has already experienced a rise in housing prices due to the influx of workers and construction activities in recent years. The demand for housing and services is expected to grow as the DeSoto plant ramps up production, potentially leading to increased pressure on local housing markets and public services. To mitigate these challenges, the state of Kansas has made significant investments in improving local. This includes upgrades to roads, utilities, and public transportation systems, as well as increased funding for affordable housing projects. These investments will help ensure that the region can handle the increased demand for services and infrastructure, while supporting the long-term sustainability of the DeSoto plant and other growing industries in the area. The Kansas government is also working closely with Panasonic and other local stakeholders to develop strategies to address any potential issues related to housing and transportation, ensuring that the region remains attractive to both businesses and residents. The DeSoto plant will also face challenges related to market dynamics and the evolving regulatory environment. As the electric vehicle industry continues to grow, Panasonic must remain agile in responding to shifts in consumer demand and regulatory changes. The global EV market is highly competitive, with numerous players vying for market share. In addition, government policies related to electric vehicles and clean energy technologies are constantly changing, as new administrations and policymakers implement different regulations and incentives. Panasonic's ability to navigate these changes and adapt its production strategies will be critical to ensuring the long-term success of the DeSoto plant and its role in the global EV supply chain. One of the most significant market dynamics Panasonic must consider is the fluctuating demand for electric vehicles. While the EV market has experienced rapid growth in recent years, there are still challenges related to consumer adoption, charging infrastructure, and the cost of electric vehicles. In some markets, consumers remain hesitant to make the switch from traditional gasoline-powered vehicles to electric alternatives, citing concerns over range, charging times, and the upfront cost of it. As these challenges are addressed and the EV market continues to mature, Panasonic must ensure that its battery production capabilities can meet while maintaining high standards of quality and efficiency. In addition to market dynamics, changes in government policies and regulations can have a significant impact on the success of the DeSoto plant. In the U.S., policies aimed at incentivizing electric vehicle adoption, such as tax credits for consumers and investments in charging infrastructure, play a crucial role in shaping the EV market. Similarly, policies related to battery manufacturing, such as trade tariffs and subsidies for clean energy production, can affect Panasonic's ability to compete in the market. The shifting regulatory landscape presents both opportunities and risks for Panasonic, requiring the company to stay closely aligned with policy developments and adapt its production strategies accordingly. Looking to the future, Panasonic has ambitious plans for expanding the DeSoto plant and increasing its production capacity. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, the company plans to scale up production at the facility to meet the growing needs of the U.S. and global markets. By 2027, Panasonic aims to have the plant operating at full capacity, producing enough battery cells to power a significant portion of the world's electric vehicles. This expansion will require continued investment in technology, infrastructure and human resources, as well as the ongoing development of next-generation battery technologies. One of the key technologies Panasonic is focusing on is the development of solid-state batteries. These next-generation batteries offer significant improvements in energy density, charging speed and safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Solid-state batteries have the potential to revolutionize the electric vehicle market by providing longer driving ranges, faster charging times, and improved performance in extreme temperatures. As part of its long-term strategy, Panasonic is investing heavily in the research and development of solid-state battery technologies, ensuring that the Soto plant remains at the cutting edge of battery innovation.